For the best price, click the link in the description. Are you tired of dealing with shaky footage and mediocre image quality when capturing your adventures? I know I was until I got my hands on the Insta360 X3. But here's what surprised me: this little camera packs a punch, offering features that put it head-to-head with some of the biggest names in the industry. But don't just take my word for it. Let's dive into what makes the X3 tick and see if it's worth the investment. First off, the specs are impressive. 18.2 megapixels, a 1-inch sensor, and the ability to shoot up to 120 FPS at 4K resolution. However, I'm not just interested in raw numbers. What about real-world performance? The Insta360 X3's most significant feature is its ability to stitch together 360-degree footage seamlessly. Therefore, imagine being able to capture an entire scene without any pesky seams or boundaries. Now you might be thinking, that sounds great, but how does it handle in low light? Well, I was pleasantly surprised by the X3's performance under dim conditions. The image stabilization and noise reduction work together beautifully to produce surprisingly clear footage. But here's a twist: even though it excels in bright light, the camera's true strength lies in its ability to adapt to changing environments. One thing that caught me off guard was the X3's surprisingly compact design. You'd think something this capable would be bulkier, but nope. Therefore, I can easily slip it into my pocket and forget about it until I need it. Before we move on, let's talk about some potential drawbacks. While the Insta360 X3 is an exceptional camera, its price point may deter some buyers. But here's a question: what's the value of capturing your memories in stunning detail? Therefore, ask yourself this: how much would you pay to preserve your favorite moments forever? Now that we've covered some basics, let's get into the nitty-gritty details. The Insta360 X3 features a 1-inch sensor and an f2.0 lens, which means it can take in an impressive amount of light even under challenging conditions. Therefore, you'll be able to capture stunning footage without breaking the bank on additional lighting gear. In terms of image quality, I was blown away by the level of detail and color accuracy displayed by this camera. But there's a caveat. Like any high-end device, the Insta360 X3 has its quirks. Sometimes the footage can be overprocessed, resulting in a weirdly over-sharpened look. However, these issues are easily mitigated with some basic editing knowledge, and I was able to tweak the output to perfection using the accompanying software. Therefore, if you're already familiar with video editing, this won't be an issue for you. Just remember that sometimes less is more when it comes to processing footage. By now you're probably wondering about the real-world performance of this camera. Well, let me tell you, I've put the Insta360 X3 through its paces, capturing everything from sweeping vistas to intimate moments with friends and family. And here's a twist: despite my initial reservations about the price point, I genuinely believe that this camera offers incredible value for money. Therefore, if you're serious about taking your content creation to the next level, or just want to capture life's precious moments in stunning detail, look no further than the Insta360 X3. Before we wrap up, let me reiterate: while the price may seem steep at first glance, I firmly believe that this camera is worth every penny. But don't just take my word for it. Try it out for yourself and see what wonders you can create with the Insta360 X3.